The Thailand-Cambodia border is set on fire again, and no, this isn't just a minor border skirmish, this is a full-scale military showdown. With tanks rolling in, fighter jets flying above, and civilians running for their lives. The flashpoint? A long disputed stretch of land near two ancient temples. Once symbol of shared history, now turned into battlegrounds. The Kap Choing district in Thailand's Soaring province is under fire. Explosions are echoing across villages, drone strikes are raining from the skies, and machine gun fires are becoming a soundtrack of fear. This is not fiction, this is happening. And here's the terrifying reality. Over 100,000 people have fled their homes. Yes, you heard that right, entire families are abandoning everything. Their livelihood, their farms, their memories, just to survive. Thai authorities have confirmed 14 deaths so far, 13 of the civilians and one Thai soldier. Let me tell you, it's the bloodiest flared up between the two countries since the 2008-2011 border war that left 28 people dead and thousands displaced. So the question is, what triggered this now? Why, after so many of decades of uneasy peace, Thailand and Cambodia are suddenly at war again? Let's break it down. At the heart of the conflict is the Prayer Vihar temple, a centuries-old Hindu temple that sits right on the border. In 1962, the International Court of Justice ruled in favor of Cambodia, giving them control of the temple. But the land around it, that's still disputed. Both the sides claim it, both the sides want it, and now both the sides are willing to kill for it. In the meantime, Cambodian troops, reportedly armed with Chinese-type 81 machine guns, are clashing heads-on with Thai's force. On the other hand, Thailand has mobilized artilleries, F-16 jets and special forces. Multiple rocket launchers, drone surveillance and broader reinforcements are now in play. But yes, this isn't just about Thailand-Cambodia story. It is a regional crisis that is in making. If this conflict spirals out of control, it could destabilize Southeast Asia. ASEAN is calling for calm, the United Nations is watching closely, and human rights groups are demanding an immediate ceasefire. But on the ground, it's chaos. There are burning homes, there are shelled temples, frightened children, and let's not ignore the timing here. Both Thailand and Cambodia are battling internal politics stress. Nationalist rhetoric is rising, and social media flooded with war propaganda is still adding fuel to the fire. So here's the bigger question. Will diplomacy win, or will nationalism drag two nations into another bloody chapter? This is not just border fight anymore. This is a test of leadership, a test of wisdom, and perhaps a final chance for peace.